Have you ever thought about starting a community garden? Imagine the joy of growing your own food, fostering community spirit, and making a positive environmental impact. Starting a community garden might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's more than achievable. The first step to creating a community garden is planning. This involves selecting a suitable location that gets plenty of sunshine and has access to water. It also requires assembling a diverse group of committed individuals who are ready to help maintain the garden. Equally important is deciding on what plants to grow. This decision should be influenced by the community's needs and the local climate conditions. So whether it's vegetables, flowers, or herbs, choose wisely. Remember, a well-planned garden is a successful garden. Once you've planned out your garden, it's time to get your hands dirty. Begin by clearing the land, removing rocks, weeds, and other debris. This is essential to creating a healthy environment for your plants. Next, set up your garden beds. Consider raised beds for better drainage and easier maintenance. Don't forget to install necessary facilities like a water source for irrigation and compost bins for organic waste. These steps are crucial for a thriving community garden. With the garden prepared, you're ready to start planting. A community garden requires regular maintenance to thrive. It's a labor of love that involves essential tasks like watering and weeding. Watering ensures our plants get the right amount of moisture to grow, while weeding keeps the garden beds neat and, more importantly, nutrient-rich for our plants. Composting is another crucial task. By turning our kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, we contribute to the cycle of life in our garden, and it's all thanks to the community's involvement. Remember, a well-maintained garden is a thriving garden. Starting a community garden is a rewarding endeavor that brings people together. Remember, planning, preparing, and maintaining are the key steps. Take the initiative, make a difference in your community. Why wait? Start planning your community garden today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.